Nature is the best medicine. 7 reasons why being in nature is so critical to our health. My name is Eduardo Corassa, most known here in Brazil as Dr. Corassa. I'm a clinical nutritionist that is really passionate about showing that health is produced by healthful living, bringing you up the most updated science in how simple lifestyle habits can produce health and can even actually reverse chronic disease like cancer, diabetes, heart disease, all the diseases that you can name it, we can actually have nature's cure. First reason, plants secrete phytoncides. These plants secrete actually invisible gases that can actually help natural killer cells to kill cancer cells. That means that the plants can help our immune system to fight off cancer. And also not just cancer, but now we know that actually these phytoncides work as well for diabetes. So if you are close to plants, you are more protected to cancer and actually to diabetes. You have better glycemic control. More mental health. Yes, actually looking at these beautiful trees and beautiful greenery landscape can actually improve our mental health. Big cities are actually correlated with higher incidence of psychological diseases. So you're more mentally ill if you are not close to plants, if you're not close to this natural environment. So all these beautiful nature colors are actually correlated with better mental health, less anxiety, and less depression. Third factor is being in nature is actually correlated with less chronic pain. Yes, being in nature has analgesic effects. It sounds quite impressive, but if you have a chronic disease and you are out in nature, what Japanese researchers have termed forest therapy. That means just walking around in the nature, in a forest, can help to reduce chronic pain in chronic diseases. So you have cancer, the pain is sometimes unbearable. You can reduce the pain without any medication, just being out in the nature environment. Besides being out in nature, you get more sunshine, you have synchronization of your circadian rhythm, but you also have faster regeneration, faster recuperation rates from surgery. Since the 70s, we have scientific data that if you go through surgery and you are in a hospital room, seeing nature through a window, you regenerate faster than people who are in a hospital seeing a big city through the window. That's quite impressive, but the patients actually needed less pain medication, were having better grades by the nurses. They were better patients, and also went home healed again way much faster. Higher IQ. Yes, we have research data that children that live in a place that have more trees actually have better IQs. And we have also scientific data that eating plants help our neurological functioning, but also helps, even just smelling plants can help our neurological functioning. Plants also help us to produce BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, stimulating neurogenesis and neuroprotection. Better microbiota. Yes, we have research from just interacting with the soil, you have a better gut microbiome. That's insane? No way. Because if you think about it, big cities are actually monocultures of human beings. It's actually a desert of just one species with a little bit of cockroaches, dogs, cats, and maybe some flies. Besides that, we just have human beings and concrete. So if you're out in nature, you are interacting with millions of germs, millions of microorganisms that are actually colonizing you and help making you a better human being in terms of your health. Biodiversity is key for not just human health, but planetary health. So interacting with nature is having a more microbiota diversity. so it's having more health. But the seventh factor is that when you are out in nature, you are actually reducing your exposure to environmental toxins. Yes, you have less Wi-Fi because everybody in a big city has Wi-Fi in its house or it's connected to its cell phone. Second part, you are exposed to a lot of petrochemicals in your daily life. That means like you are burning fossil fuel, people are using perfumes and deodorants and a lot of things that can leach dioxins and microplastic, and you also expose yourself, your outside and your inside when you eat, for example, industrialized food. So you end up bioaccumulating these dioxins. They cause reproductive diseases, neurological diseases, cancer, immune system diseases, and a lot of other things. So being in nature is not just good for your health, for your mental health, physical health, for the planet, for the animals, and for our survival on the planet if we want our children to grow up healthy. Did you like the video? Please give it a thumbs up, comment below, share, and also don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified for new videos. If you want my help as a clinical nutritionist with your diet and lifestyle, I attend patients online. I also have 9 books published, one already on Amazon in English, The Hygienic Fasting Nature Surgery, and also 6 online courses and retreats here in Brazil, in Rio de Janeiro. Click these videos to know more about health science.